Hey guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. Hold on, I got cleaning this. Yeah. Today is Thursday. Sorry, I erased my calendar last night and I forgot because I'm gonna change it for November because today is October 31st. So last day. I don't celebrate Halloween, but my school every year they do Storybook Character Day because technically you're not supposed to like do Halloween because everybody has different beliefs on Halloween and stuff like that. So I was pretty much like a student at Hogwarts. I do watch Harry Potter, and I'm a part of the Hufflepuff. So I think I showed you guys really quickly what I was wearing because I leave at like 5 a.m. So I didn't have time to give you guys a full-on range of what I was wearing. But let me see. I can show you guys exactly what I was wearing. I'm gonna just hopefully you guys can see it. So this is me in my room, but I don't know if you guys can see that. So I had the tie and I had the headband, and then I just wore a white button-up top, and then a black long skirt. And that's the skirt I think I just showed. I don't remember if I showed you guys. Yeah, I think I showed you guys in the last vlog, which was on Monday. I didn't film anything else for you guys because I didn't want to rush a random vlog. I knew I wanted to add a lot of things in a new vlog. So I said, you know what, let me just wait and just start a whole new vlog. But I actually have a lot of things to do. I am happy that I'm off tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm also going, I scheduled a braid appointment, so I'm going to go do my hair tomorrow. So I'm not going to be home. Hopefully, I'm done in 4 hours. That's my hope. My sister, when she went, she was done in 4 hours. The first time I went to this place, I took the whole day, and I was very frustrated. So I hope that's not the issue tomorrow. I hope that I'm getting there early and I'm done at a reasonable time. I know it takes time, but I feel like for the sale that I did, I should have not been there the whole day. But that's not a here and there. I'm still gonna go back because I do say that they braid. One thing I would say, they braid really neatly. That's what I like, and that's what I was like. And I'm like, how did I not know about it when I went earlier this year? I'm like, it's literally like 3-4 blocks away from my house, and I never knew it existed. I mean, I saw it, but I never knew, like, you know what I mean? I never actually tried their work, but they're pretty good. I will say that. So, and there's people, if they're on TikTok, and a lot of people are coming from other boroughs like Brooklyn, just to come to the Bronx, just get their hair done. Believe me, you guys think, well, yeah, they're very popular. But anyway, I decided I'm gonna do box braids. I was gonna do knotless initially, but then I tried the knotless. I liked it, but it was like, so I'm gonna go back to my original box braids. But I am gonna try do color. Last my knotless I did black, but I think I want to do color. I've experimented with color before. It's not the first time, but sometimes I just like black. But this time I'm like for fall vibes, I'm gonna do like a brownish color. But you guys will see. But anyway, I'm gonna take out these clip-ins. I'm gonna wash my hair now. I'd rather just get it done now, being that I got home early. And then I'll get into, I gotta do my November calendar. I want to do that. I'm trying to get like certain things done. I think I'm gonna actually wash my laundry today because I'm gonna be out tomorrow, and my basket is actually filling up with stuff. And then I also want to wash all the things that I got. I got a few items the other day. I think I showed you the Marshalls. I don't remember if I showed you, because I went to what is this place called? I went to Charlotte Russe during the week. Actually, this week. Yeah, was it Tuesday? I think I went. No, I went on Monday. I went to Charlotte Russe. I went to the mall like very quickly after work. And I went to Charlotte Russe, I believe. Yeah, it was just Charlotte Russe, and I think I went, and I went to Burlington, actually. To Burlington and Charlotte Russe. So I had a few items from there. Maybe I'll show you guys. But all I got was a scarf. One of those like fake, I own regular Uggs, but I got like the off-brand name, like short ones. Like, those are good for like if we ever get cold weather, because right now it's almost 80 degrees today in New York. So I mean, if we ever get cold weather, yeah, that. And then yeah, so that's the two main things I want to focus, because I need to blow dry my hair to do it tomorrow. So I'm like, let me just do it now, then I don't have to worry about like tonight, because I have to wake up early because I have to be there for 8 a.m. So I'm like, I'd rather do it now, blow dry my hair, then my hair is blow dried, and I don't have to worry about blow drying it. I mean, rushing tonight I could just relax and then go to sleep when I go to sleep. But obviously I'm not going to stay up ridiculously late because I have to be up early tomorrow. So that's it for now. Maybe I'll show you guys remember blow dry my hair. I'm not gonna show you wash my hair because I'm gonna just do it in the sink, and my lighting's not that good in my kitchen anyway, so I'm not gonna waste filming time showing you guys me wash my hair. I'm just gonna wash it in the sink, and then when I come back I'll probably just show you my blow drying machine, but it hasn't changed. It's the same thing. I use the same products. But if you are new to the channel, sorry, I'm trying to get all these stuff, then I guess it will be new for you. And then I also need to reset my calendar. Like I said, I have to do that. A lot of days off. Well, not a lot of days off. Well, yeah, a lot of good days in November, I would say. Some days off, one day remote, one day we have no kids in the building. So, because it's like parent-teacher conference. But yeah, my hair is itchy because I did apply some gel after and stuff like that. So, I need to make sure I thoroughly wash. I'm gonna like probably shampoo like 3 times. I don't know. We'll see. But I need to make sure I wash it thoroughly because it's going into braids. So, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. just came back from doing my hair. It took about 4.5 hours. Good timing than the last time I went, because if you know, you know. But I decided to get 30. I did box braids, but honestly they look exactly like knotless, so I don't even know, but I'm not mad about it. I just didn't want the boho. I was like, we're not doing the boho again because it was just too much maintenance. But then this is really different for me. I don't think I've done this color. Well, I shouldn't say that because I've done like, what's that color, 99J before, and that's extreme bright color. So I have done like bright colors before, but just showing you guys what the hair is looking like. We're loving it. And then I just got curls at the ends like I normally do, but I wanted box braids as opposed to knotless. But like my mom's saying, I don't really see the difference. I don't see the difference either, but this is what the hair is looking like. So yeah, yeah, I'm about to go back outside. I had to take a quick snackety snack. We'll go outside, get a few things done, and then come back home and relax. And yeah, my Friday's over. But I was happy to go early. I was like, I gotta go at 8 a.m. so I could be out, because I'm like, that's it.